Hi friends, today the topic is data types. You learn this topic in your C language also. See this the definition of the data types as it names as its name indicates, a data type represents the type of the data which you can process using your computer program. So in your computer program you have to specify what type of data we have to use in that program. So why we go for data types means, let us take some examples. Before that we have different types of data types, that is numeric, alphanumeric, decimal. Okay, so we have different types of data types. So next why we go for data types means, let us take one example. In this first we have to add 1 and 20, sorry, 10 and 20. So generally what in addition 10 plus 20 we got 30 answer. So after that take another example with float. Okay, 10.5, 20.5, like that. Okay, in the above example both are if you take a is equal to 10, b is equal to 20, both values are in same integer only. Next, take this second example. In both a and b value, both are in float value only. Okay. So these both examples straightforward, and let us take third example. In this third example, if you want to store the student information like name, class, section, age, whatever it is, so in that we have to store the student information. We have required lot of data. See this. For example, if you take name is equal to Sai, class is equal to 10th, section is equal to A is equal to 30. So see this in this example, compare this example with the previous example. In this previous example, the both values are going to be same data type only. Okay, but here we have to use different data types. For example, for name we use characters. Okay, for class we use a number, section for use alphabet, for age we use integer. Okay, here we have to use different types of data types. So for that purpose compulsory we have to specify what type of data we have to use in that program to the computer. Okay, see this, we have different types of data types: strings, characters, whole numbers, decimal numbers. Okay, so what type of data we have to use in our program, first we have to specify to a computer. For example, if you take an addition program, in that addition program we have to take three variables like a, b, c. So then you have to write int a comma b comma c. Okay, so if you take a, b, c as integer values, you have to specify that int, or else if you want give any values float, so you have to give their float, or else if you want to give a strings is nothing but a collection of characters. Okay, if you want to give a full name, so you have to specify string is a keyword for string data types. Okay ma, then we have to see the, so compulsory we have to specify what data type we have to use in your program, because we have different we are using different data types in our program. So the computer is going to be confused what data is related to what type. So we have to specify whatever the data you have to write in your program, you have to specify the data type. Okay, so this is the important table. I think this is also you learned in your C program. You learned or not I don't know, but it is very important in your interview purpose also this is very important table. Okay, for character the range is, for character the keyword is char, char. Okay, for this the range is minus 128 to 127 or 0 to 255. Okay, next coming to number. So for number we write the keyword as int. Okay, thus the range is minus 32,768 to 32,767, or else we have long number also, 2 comma 147 comma 483 comma 648 2. This is the minus value. And the small for small number we have short, the range is 32,768 to 32,766. Here I forgot that minus symbol. Minus 32,768 to 32,767. Then for long number we have to write the keyword like long. So for that we have to write this value like whatever is in previous number. So number we have short as well as long. For small, if the number range is very less, so we have to use short. If that number has a heavy range, we have to use long. Okay, for decimal we have to write float. Okay, for this we have the range that is 1.2 e power minus 38 to 3.42 e power plus 38 till 6 decimal places. That means we have to take after the point we have to take 6 decimals. Okay, so this is the important table. I'll send a screenshot for this table also in your group. So please go through this table. So this is the data types. Okay, this I think this is the only 2 marks question. Okay, so but this is a very simple topic but a very important topic also. So for a program you have to specify compulsory what type of data you have to use. Okay, this is the data type topic. Thank you.